Hello. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about MLA citation. So let's go through that together. Okay, so if you remember, we have everything is double spaced. Okay, remember we have this left aligned information here, which is your name, my name, Mrs. Christina Spicer. You have English 1 honors, and you have the date. Okay, notice the format of the date. The day comes first, then the month, then the year. Okay. At the top of the page, this is in the header, you have your last name and the page number. Okay. The title is center aligned. Okay. Then you start left aligned with your paper, making sure you indent each paragraph. Okay. So you'll go through your paper. Then at the end, this is a long paper. Then at the end, you have your works cited page. Okay, remember the words works cited are the first letter is capitalized of each word, and then this is centered. And then you have all of your citations. Remember, everything's double spaced, no extra spaces between each citation. Remember, the citations are alphabetical. You are only going to have one for this paper. You're only going to have To Kill a Mockingbird. So it's not a big deal about the alphabetical order. All right. So when you put this in, when you choose, put your citation in, remember you have the Easy Bib in your add-ons. Remember I had you add that on into Google Chrome. So you can go in there and type the information from your book in there. And then you can go ahead and add it to the end of your paper for your works cited page. Okay. So I'm going to show you a little bit of doing everything in a Google Doc just to make it easier for you. All right, so remember, first of all, I need to change this to Times New Roman. I need font 12. Okay, so that's done. I need to change my line spacing here with the arrow up and down and make sure I change it to double spaced. Okay, got that done. So I'm going to leave it. See, right now it's left aligned. My cursor's on the left, which is what I want. And so I'm going to type, you would type your name. Okay, so type your name. Then your teacher's name. Okay. Then you're going to type the name of the course, which is English 1 Honors. And then you're going to type the date. Remember, the day comes first, then the month, then the year. Okay. Today it is the 7th of December, 2020. Okay. Then we need to put your header in. Okay. So remember, we go to insert, header and footer. Remember, header is at the top, just like your head. Footer is at the bottom. So we want a header, and see our cursor's automatically on the left here. We need to change that to make it right aligned. So we hit the right align, and we are going to insert your last name. Remember, not mine. I'm just putting mine because this is my paper. And then you're going to hit options and choose page numbers. We want it in the header, show on the first page, start at 1. Yes, hit apply. Okay, so there you have it. Spicer 1. The next page will automatically say Spicer 2. Okay, yours will be your last name and the number. All right, so here we are. We're ready to start. So now I need to add my title. Let me go back here. Enter. Remember, everything's double spaced. We're not adding extra spaces, but I need to center this because this is my title. So now I hit center align, and I just write my title. I'm just going to write this is my title. Whatever your title is, we want to capitalize my title. Okay, here we go. And then remember, we have to go back to left align for our paper. Okay, so then I hit the tab key to indent, and then I can go ahead and start typing my paper. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that. When you're ready to add your works cited, okay, remember, go to add-ons. You should have the Easy Bib there, manage bibliography. And then this is a book that you're doing. So you're looking up your book, okay? To Kill a Mockingbird. Okay. And then you can search and you can see if they have the copy that we have used in there. So you'll have to check and see which one it is that you have. This is the graphic novel. There's all different ones here. So you'll have to find the one that you have, okay? If you don't, you might have to type the information in. You can also add some more in to see if you can find it. So if it's a certain, whatever publisher our book is, you can type it in here. But I'm going to just assume that this is it. Hit select. Okay. And then I'll say add bibliography to doc. And it's going to automatically do it. So that was the end of my paper because I haven't typed much yet. So obviously, as you type, you want to move that works cited page down. Wherever your paper ends, remember that the works cited must be at the top of its page all by itself, okay? You should not have like half the page is your paper that you're finishing up and then the works cited. It needs to be a page all by itself. The words works cited need to be at the top of the page, okay? And then you'll have your citation, all right? If you have any questions on that format, let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.